In this video, we're going to walk through how to add a custom match to Hudl Insight. So the first thing I need to do is select manual entry, and then from here I can select some match details. The date, the time of the match, and then here I can select the teams. Now before I select the teams, I've got to first create the teams. So I'm going to go to my settings and go to teams. Here I'm going to add a team, and I need to make sure that the source is manual entry, and from here I'm going to select my team name, Columbus Crew, and then give them a color. I'm going to do the same thing for the other team. Let's go New York Red Bull, select them a color, and go save. I'm also going to set one of these teams as my primary team. Once I've created my two teams, I can now select those teams from this drop-down menu and then select the score. They'll create this match in my project, from which point I can then add the Sportscode XML and then the video in the next tab. Alternatively, what I'm going to do is add a whole Sportscode package. What I want to do first, however, is just check some things in the settings. In the settings, in the data mapping tab, I have this text field indicating the name of the row, which indicates the start of each period. At the moment it is periods, and in my Sportscode package, it is also periods. I want to make sure that matches up. I also want to make sure that the row structure of the rows in my Sportscode package match the row structure here in Insight, which is team name dash sequence, which in my Sportscode package, this is the correct row structure. I'm now going to drag my Sportscode package in. I'll see those two lights for green show up for video and Sportscode package. In the next tab, I need to align my video, which we can do quickly. That's the first half, and then here is the second half. Once I've aligned the video, in the dashboard tab, I can now go to my different widgets and look for the events from within that Sportscode package. So let's go data add conditions, let's go teams, primary team, and here are all of the events now from that Sportscode package for my primary team.